A very good morning, children. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Once again, I welcome you all to today's video in the part 3rd from your grammar book. So, as we know, there are two types of articles: indefinite articles a and an, and definite articles the. So, articles are words that define a noun as specific or non-specific. Just take the example: after the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day and that was long, and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. And when we move on to the second one, after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good, which means here, using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Children, in the previous videos we have learned about the various uses of indefinite articles and definite articles. Today in this video we'll learn about the omission of the article. So the omission of the article is done before abstract nouns, certain uncountable nouns, and proper nouns in some cases. So with such cases, while the article is implied, it is not written. Hence, we call such implication a zero article. Zero articles means no articles which is used before uncountable nouns. So we do not use articles before uncountable nouns and abstract nouns used in a general sense. For example, honey is sweet. We don't say the honey is sweet. Next, sugar is bad for your teeth. Wisdom is better than riches. Virtue is its own reward. So here in these sentences we can see that uncountable nouns and abstract nouns do not take any article before the words like honey, sugar, wisdom, virtue, when we talk in a general sense. But when we talk in a particular sense, like would you pass the sugar, as we know that sugar is uncountable noun, then also uncountable noun take the article the, because we are talking the things in a particular sense. So that's why would you pass the sugar. So the sugar on the table, actually I am talking, so that's why we have used the article here before uncountable noun. So no articles is used before plural countable nouns also. We do not use articles before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. Just see the example: children usually rush about. Computers are useful machines. And when we talk about the things in a particular sense, then we use the definite article the before plural countable nouns. For example, where are the children? So here we are talking about which children? Our children. That's why we have used the children. So no articles is used before proper nouns also. We do not use articles before the names of countries, people, continents, cities, rivers and lakes. See the examples. India is a democratic country. So we do not say the India because it's a country name. Paris is the capital of France. So we do not say the Paris. No article is used before the names of meals also. We do not use articles before the names of meals if we are talking in a general sense, like mother is cooking lunch. So we have not used any article here before lunch. Dinner is ready. No article here also. But we use a article when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. Just see the example. I had a late dinner yesterday. So here in this sentence we can see before dinner we have an adjective, okay, and before that we can use a article. And we use the article when we are talking about a particular meal. See the example. The lunch we had at the restaurant was very good. So here we are talking about the lunch in particular, so that's why the lunch. So no article is used before languages also. We do not use articles before the names of languages. Can you speak the English? It's Incorrect. We say, can you speak English? Okay. They speak French at home, not the French. We also use no article before school, college, university, church, bed, hospital, prison, etc. See the examples. His grandfather is still in hospital. We learned English at school. He is at university. But we can use the before these words when the reference is to the building or object rather than to the normal activity that goes on there. See the next example. I met her at the church. So here we can see that we have used the article, definite article before the word church, because here the reference is to the building and not to the activity that is going on there. And at last but not the least, we have I went to the hospital to see my friend. Here by saying that I went to the hospital, here the reference is to the building where I went to see my friend. So that's why we have used the before hospital. Children, I hope that you all have well understood now the uses, the correct uses actually of definite articles and indefinite articles, and also omission of the article. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you all for watching.